BC is looking to build on today's milestone of 2 million COVID-19 shots in arms. Public Health pulling out all the stops to register, book and vaccinate everyone as they're eligible in one of the largest and hardest hit communities, Fraser Health.
It's important to remove every barrier possible to ensure that everybody registers and gets immunized as quickly as possible.
This includes mobile registration units, signing people up where they are.
One of the areas that we focused on is registering and increasing accessibility for vaccines through places of worship. In fact, gurdwaras have been used through community partners, and last weekend we've done registration there and going in actually with immunizations in the coming days as well.
With more supply, they're working through the age priority faster.
But I really encourage people to register, and when they get a chance to book right away, so because we are going to be moving through the age cohorts very quickly, particularly in hotspot areas.
A group of doctors in Surrey pressing to have it open to everyone.
Look at the makeup of Surrey, particularly. The average age of the residents is 39, but you're not eligible. You're eligible, but you're not going to get the vaccine unless if you're over the age of 49 as of today. And so our approach is that we should get vaccines to patients that want the vaccine.
He says they need to get creative.
Things that worked in Whistler may not work here. So we need to change the way we do things for Surrey to make it Surrey specific, because we are an urbanly dense community full of frontline workers.
Dr. Henry agrees the approach does need to be different.
It's a very different thing to target a community with hundreds of thousands of people versus a community with a few thousand people.
While shots are now available for many priority groups, including Surrey grocery clerks 18 and up, it's not for everyone. And the region has challenges beyond the massive population and the fact they've had the majority of cases since the start of the pandemic.
There's unique areas within Surrey and Fraser Health regions, such as essential workers and sometimes very vulnerable disadvantaged populations where it's not easy for people to get away to get the immunization.
Compounded by lack of sick pay for the lowest paid.
It's an important part of workers having the agency to stay home when they're sick, and we know it's an important part of preventing workplace outbreaks.
Henry, and the province's bottom line is vaccinations are their way back to normal everywhere, especially in hard-hit Fraser Health. So if you don't find a way to register, they're looking to find you. The aim, not ice cream trucks blaring down the street, but close.
It's not probably quite that door to door, but absolutely going door to door and registering people and then providing them with the means of getting to the clinics.
For City News in Victoria, I'm News 1130's Liza Yuzda.